Hi everyone, in this video I will show video recovery app for Android or deleted video recovery or delete video recovery. If you want to recover or restore deleted videos from Android phone, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, open Google Play Store. And in this here write and search deleted video recovery. After that, scroll down. You can see deleted video recovery app. Please open it. Deleted video recovery app. Please install this app. After that, open it. Restore. After that, you can see video recovery. The app can help you find and restore deleted videos. After that, to restore deleted videos, the app will scan deleted videos. You can find and select the videos you want to recover. After that, you can see you can use the app to find and delete large videos at your phone. After that, choose get started. Click here. And in this you can see restore. So click on it, restore. Allow video recover to access photos and media on your device. You can choose allow. After that, you can see deleted files found 224. Scanning completed. Show deleted files. And in this you can choose and open show deleted files. Open it. And in this here I can see my recover deleted videos files in this here. And in this you can choose and open your recover deleted video files. After that, open any files. In this here I can see my deleted videos. And in this I can easily recover or restore deleted videos. So let's see. So first of all, you can choose and select your need to recover deleted videos. After that, click here and then choose and select. You can see in this I can choose and select some deleted videos, and in this I can easily recover or restore. So let's see. After that, you can see restore now. Click here, video recovery. And in this I can easily recover or restore deleted videos. After that, go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted videos or delete video recovery or deleted videos recovery. Go back. And in this you can see restore videos. After that, restored videos. So in this you can choose and open restored videos. View restored videos. That's mean my recover or restored videos saved in this here. And remember, in this here save your recover or restored deleted videos are also saved on your phone gallery. After that, choose and open any videos. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted all videos or delete video recovery or deleted videos recovery easily. And in this video you can see how to recover or restore deleted videos from Android phone or deleted videos recovery or delete video recovery or video recovery app for Android. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.